Links continue to be one of the most important ranking factors used by Google and other search engines. Search engines not only discover new content through links, but this is how they judge the quality of a content. Good links tell how worthy the content is, and if it is actually a good link, Google considers it a positive sign. Also, with time, Google has improved its ability to detect links that are not useful for the users. So old link building strategies are not going to work anymore, or at least as well as they used to be. Only getting high quality links from high quality websites can help you rank higher in the search engine result pages. If you want to know how, stay tuned and watch the video till the end, as in this video I will talk about link building, why is it important, and types of backlinks. So let's get started. Link building is the practice of acquiring hyperlinks from high-quality websites to your own with the goal of improving search engine visibility. A hyperlink offers the way for users to navigate between pages on the internet, and in SEO, these links are known as backlinks. Search engines use links to crawl the web. They will crawl the links between individual pages on your website as well as the links between the entire websites. According to Google, if other prominent websites link or refer to your content, this is a hint that your page is relevant and trustworthy. That is why it is important to focus on link building while creating an SEO strategy. Backlinks are important for SEO because they act as a signal to Google that the other resource finds your content valuable enough to link to it within their own content. Due to this, a website earns additional backlinks as search engines believe that this website actually possesses valuable content worth ranking on search engine results page. For example, if any reputed website, let's say Forbes, links to your website will also be considered trustworthy and rank worthy by Google, because if a top ranking website links to your content, it means your content is useful for users or there is something worth linking to. That is why websites with high quality backlinks have higher chances of ranking in the search engine result pages. Now let's move on to the types of backlinks that you can get benefit from.
Number one is through guest blogging. Guest blogging is one of the most largely used and easiest way to acquire backlinks. Whenever you post a blog to another high quality website, you get a chance to add an editorial backlink to your content. By posting excellent content on another high-quality website, you can easily build authority and trust via other influential publications. Next is editorial backlinks that will help you attract more visitors to your website content. It basically refers to when some other authoritative website wants to link to your high-quality content. The primary objective of getting this link is to support their work and share useful information with the people. Next is the variation of an editorial link that is known as relationship-based backlinks. These are normally created when you have successfully built strong relationships with webmasters or journalists, when they prefer referring you while writing the content and links to some of your valuable sources, then that is known as relationship-based link building. The next type of backlink that can give a boost to your website branding is acknowledgement backlinks. When a website mentions and links to your website in reference to a relationship or sponsorship, this results in acknowledgement backlink. These links typically mention that the brand made a donation or show that someone from the brand is sponsoring an event. You can also get websites to link back to your website by offering a free tool. These types of links are ultimately known as free tool backlinks. A free tool could be anything like a business name generator or age calculator. If the tools are actually useful, you will see that other websites will link to them in their content. Also, if you have free versions of page tools, you can even add a call to action button to ask visitors to sign up to avail of full features. The next important backlink type is badge backlinks. This type of backlink can be created by providing value to other sites in the form of branded badges. A branded badge is a type of award that a brand creates and gives to other websites as a status symbol. Forums backlink is another popular type of backlink that is widely used for the purpose of SEO. However, keep this in mind that if you are only joining thousands of forums just to post links back to a website, this will be considered spamming and will not help you at all. You should only join high quality forums and be a part of genuine discussions that are about your content or brand. The next type is press release backlinks that need to be executed properly if you want to build links effectively. A press release can help you with marketing. It can get you media outlets to write about the news and can also help your website. What you need to do is you just have to write and distribute press releases when your company has some announcement to make regarding the product or you are launching a new product or software. Using this strategy, you can gain links on the actual press release post as well as on the stories that media outlets write about it. The last type I want to discuss is profile backlinks. When you create an online profile for a business, you can include a link back to your website. These links on business listings, social media platforms and industry-specific directories will tell search engines that your website is high quality.
So that was all for this video. For more information related to backlinks, stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and if you have any doubts related to this video, you can tell me in the comment section down below. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.